Welcome back to Rabbit TV. Hope you're ready because we're about to dive headfirst into some crazy trucking action, bold moves, epic challenges, and enough heavy-duty madness to keep you on the edge of your seat. Let's roll.
That arrestor system is truly a lifesaver, literally. Stopping a 58,000-pound truck, traveling at 60 miles per hour. I can't imagine what it's like to be the driver during that test. That must be an incredible adrenaline rush. The MAN TGX XXL 8x4, operated by Alalis Heavy Haulage, transported an immense 370-ton load through Ipswich's medieval streets to Eye. This operation demonstrated masterful planning and precision driving to ensure safe passage through tight, historic routes.
Ой, конечно.
When your GPS says, make a U-turn, but it forgot to mention the laws of physics.
Надо направо съехать. В него еще въехать.
Какую игру? Назад, дай чуть-чуть.
Едешь вперед.
Уже опасно, уже на нас сейчас наедет.
Я боюсь.
Неадекватно.
Не-не-не.
Нет. Куда ты едешь?
Стой.
Дебил ты.
Стой, стой, стой на месте. На маневра.
Double the cranes, double the chaos. Guess they're not lifting each other's spirits today. This is what happens when you're late and the city's not messing around. The Zoomlion 80E5 sure showed its limits there. 20 tons of counterweight wasn't enough at that angle. Still, what a recovery! A giant wind turbine mast 5 meters wide and stretching 48 meters long travels across France guided by the skills surreal and an expert team of pilots. It's like a slow-motion adventure captured perfectly by LCD Prod. Teamwork at its best. Drivers on this road deserve medals. Maintaining control on what's basically an ice rink is no small feat. When transporting a gantry crane using a main heavy-duty truck is a smart choice. Its robust performance, coupled with advanced safety systems, ensures both the load and road remain secure, making it ideal for such oversized equipment. Ugh, what a day for those poor drivers. Imagine just cruising along and then boom, there goes a wheel into your car. Whoa, that load is huge. In Matarani, it's not just big, it's so wide it swallows the whole road. Imagine the logistics behind moving something like that safely. Amazing. That truck driver definitely didn't read the height sign. Lucky no one got seriously hurt, though. Not sure what the girl did to make this guy so mad, but he's definitely been playing way too much Mario. Guess he's about to pay a pretty hefty price for that stunt. What would it feel like to glance back and see a car barreling straight at you? That's one heart-stopping moment for the police officer. Transports Blumenau skillfully maneuvers a colossal load on an axle line trailer, passing just inches below the bridge. The navigation team's precision and expertise shine, ensuring a flawless and safe crossing of this challenging route. This New Holland's been through the trenches, literally. Still no issues with the transmission or torque? This machine's shaping up to be a true legend. Heavy hauling doesn't get more impressive than Project Gator. With a 300-ton girder and 86 meters of length, this operation in Calvert, Alabama, is a testament to exceptional planning, precision, and teamwork. Every move is carefully calculated to ensure safety and success. Imagine the sheer scale of a 780-ton Komatsu PC 8000 being carefully transported on a massive Mamoe Lobed. It's a sight to behold as this powerful machine slowly makes its way across the road, a true testament to engineering prowess and precision. In maritime navigation, collision avoidance rules require smaller vessels to yield to larger ones. In this case, the small boat operator proactively adjusted course and time, demonstrating an excellent understanding of currents, speed, and quick reflexes. Uh-oh, the Volvo truck is stuck, having fallen through the ice. But here comes the Hitachi ZX160LC-5G crawler excavator to the rescue. Watch as it uses its raw power to pull the truck back onto solid ground. Will the rescue be a success? Stay tuned. It's wild how something as simple as a water tower can hold so many memories. Lively won't be the same without it. In a tractor pulling event, the Famulus and Deutz combination faces a tough challenge. The Deutz, with added weight on the rear axle, struggles to move the Famulus. A clear indication that even with extra power, weight distribution plays a critical role in performance. That truck's brakes gave up at the worst time. Safe distance saved the day for the little bus. A lesson learned for everyone. That driver's heart probably skipped a beat. Imagine looking back and seeing that thing fall. Wolf House Movers and Buckingham Transport pulled off an incredible move, relocating a 250,000-pound industrial press over 500 miles. With a 16-axle dual-lane beam and dolly setup, they kept the 13-foot load just 16 inches off the ground. No bucket trucks, just genius planning and precision. The Space Shuttle program left an indelible mark on space exploration. The final external tank, ET-94, marked the end of an era. Its journey from Michoud to Port Canaveral reflected a poignant farewell, with the Pegasus barge playing a crucial role in this historic transport.
Okay, roger that. We'll worry about it and turn it over to the tugboats. Over.
The majestic Scania R 620B Uso, pulling an extraordinary hydroelectric generator through winding roads to Pedicina. A feat of engineering and skill, showcasing the perfect harmony of power and precision on this vital mission.
Okay, I'm behind you, Keith.
Navigating through detours with oversized loads can be a challenge, especially when signs aren't powered and the permit lacks details. Proper route planning and clear communication with authorities are key to avoid such issues.
Okay, your picture. Where's that little pull off of?
That's two close calls in one scene, truck and falling wheelbarrow. Someone needs to shut that site down until they learn basic safety. Moving history, literally. This 1752 stone farmhouse, weighing 515 tons, was relocated half a mile to save it from demolition. Thanks to Wolf's smart steer system and 12 Buckingham dollies, this piece of history continues to stand tall. Oh, so we're trying out a new tire design now?
If I look at that,
This Volvo ECR355EL has it all: power, precision, and even dust control. Hauling a wind turbine blade isn't just about horsepower, it's about finesse. At Nitria 6, this Volvo driver proves that skill and patience turn a logistical challenge into a smooth operation. Every degree of steering matters when handling something this long. What do you think of these moments? We'd love to hear your thoughts and any suggestions for improvement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.